Today's recipe is colorful and flavorful, and it makes a perfect holiday dish. I'll show you how to make quinoa salad that is vegan and gluten-free. And quinoa is one of the superfoods that is a complete protein. It's a great substitution for rice or grains, and it has essential amino acids that our body does not produce, but it needs. Besides that quinoa is a complete protein, it's really rich in fiber, so it's great for our digestion, and it's also rich in calcium and iron, so it's great for our bones. And quinoa is a seed, it's not a grain, but when you prepare it, you cook it like you cook your grains. This powerful seed has been a great addition to our diet nowadays, and it's getting more popular, so I wanted to share this wonderful recipe with you. And if you have a 9-to-5 job and you're meal prepping, it makes a great addition to your meals. So let's dive into the recipe. The first step is to rinse the quinoa well, and this will help remove the bitterness from the seeds. So you want to rinse it for at least 2 minutes, and once the quinoa is rinsed well, transfer it to a cooking pot. And then add some salt and pepper, as well as coconut oil. Then saute the quinoa for about a minute, add the water, and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat and simmer it for about 8 to 9 minutes, and after about 8 minutes, remove it from the heat and let the rest of the water soak into the seeds. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dressing. We need freshly squeezed lemon juice, about 1 lemon should be enough. Then add a few tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and black pepper, and mix everything well. Now that we have the dressing ready, let's mix everything in. Add the cooked quinoa to a large bowl, followed by dry cranberries, which will give that Thanksgiving tart taste. And for additional protein, add some bean sprouts. I'm using a mixture of mung beans and lentils. Additionally, walnuts go really well with this mixture, as well as hemp hearts. And once all of the dry ingredients are in, you can add the dressing and mix everything well. And by all means, you can substitute any of the ingredients. Instead of dry cranberries, you can add any dry fruits of your choice. I added dry cranberries because this makes it a perfect Thanksgiving dish. And instead of the walnuts, you can substitute with pecans or almonds. And look at the colors and the flavors of this wonderful salad that is packed with protein. Serve it on your Thanksgiving table and impress your guests. This is one of the wonderful, colorful dishes that I always prepare for Thanksgiving, so I hope you give it a try. And if you're meal prepping, this is a great addition to your meal prep for the week. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please share it with your friends and family. And as always, remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.